Casual's reaction na pabilib sa SB19 sa simula at wakas concert nila sa San Francisco. So here's a story of a non-fan Pinoy in US who went to SB19 simula at wakas World Tour concert in San Francisco and went home as fan. As I mentioned before, I wasn't a fan pero I liked some of their songs. Pero the Saw era made me want to watch the concert. I love Dunka and yung mga new songs really went hard. Kaso when I looked for tickets, sold out na. Luckily, we know the producers so I was able to volunteer for the show as an usher para mapanood ko lang sila. I saw them sa soundcheck but it was a closed one so no videos or audio. These boys don't play. They work hard on their craft. Ang tagal ng soundcheck. I heard the day before they were rehearsing with their US tour dancers at the hotel, mga 10 hours yata. That's some serious hard work. They had the live soundcheck for the VIP holders and that was a treat talaga. They were so relaxed interacting with their 18 and sang Dunka and Time. The main concert was amazing. Their energy was palpable and their performance was world-class. They never let up. Di makasabay yung crowd the whole time. Napagod yata sila. All in all, it was worth volunteering for to witness this world-class group SB19. I would watch them again next time. Sana audience na hindi na usher. They deserve a bigger venue, and if they ever go to Coachella, I'll go to Coachella for the first time to see them. Plus, here are more of his posts. Time live soundcheck, that Ken verse just hits different. Can't stop thinking of you. Ang corny. Anyway, super effective ng verse niya. Dunka talaga yata ang favorite SB19 song ko. I love the energy and silliness ng kanta. Sobrang good vibes, galing nila. My first SB19 concert. Ang sexy ni Ken. Just recently got into Cream Zone. It's like a mix of EDM and hip-hop. Nakaka-hyped yung song kaya kita sa crowd reaction and their energy. At heto naman siya na videohan ng kanyang kasama na nakiki-vibe pa.